In today's video, I'm going to teach you how the Ticketmaster waiting room works. If you're planning to buy tickets for a popular event, it's important to understand how the waiting room works before the sale begins. A little preparation can make the process smoother and help you avoid unnecessary stress when tickets go live. The first thing you want to do is go to Ticketmaster and sign into your account early. Don't wait until the last minute, because signing in ahead of time gives you a chance to make sure everything is working properly before the sale starts. While you're logged in, also verify that your payment information is up to date. This is an important step because if you reach the checkout stage, you'll want to move quickly without stopping to update billing details. Next, find the event you want to attend and open the event page before the sale begins. Once you're on that page, look carefully for the sale time and any information about waiting room availability. This helps you confirm exactly when the process starts and gives you a better idea of when you should be ready on the page. As the sale time gets closer, the waiting room will usually open several minutes before tickets officially go on sale. When the button to join becomes available, click it to enter the waiting room. After that, stay on the page. This part is very important. Do not refresh your browser. Refreshing can interrupt the process and may affect your place in line, so once you're in, it's best to leave the page alone and let Ticketmaster handle the transition. When the sale officially begins, everyone in the waiting room is automatically moved into the queue. At that point, your queue position is assigned. You won't need to manually re-enter anything if you've already joined properly. From there, you'll see your progress on screen as the line moves forward. The key takeaway is to be early, be signed in, have your payment information ready, and stay on the event page once you've entered the waiting room. Most importantly, avoid refreshing the browser after joining. Following these steps can help you move through the process with fewer issues and give you a clearer idea of what to expect when demand is high. That's how joining the Ticketmaster waiting room works.